Today we're talking about an underrated skill, seduction as a survival tactic. Now, understand this is the watered-down AI response, not the raw info that we discuss when we engage in girl talk. Let's get into it. This is not about manipulation for fun or flirting for likes. When I say seduction, I don't only mean romance. I mean social leverage, using femininity, softness, warmth, humor, or flirtation as a tool to change a situation so that you can get away when your safety is on the line. In other words, if someone's got power over you, a switch in your tone can distract and redirect attention, reduce aggression, buy time, create openings for escape or calling for help. Okay, listen, the seduction tactic is not always safe. It's not always smart, but when it works, it works. Risks to know. It can backfire and escalate. It can be misread as consent. Always keep control of your body. May have legal ramifications if used maliciously with other unfavorable manipulation and self-defense tactics. Practical ways to use charm and social influence include using sensual body language, lowering your voice, accompanied with slow sensual breathing. Remaining calm may slightly relax an aggressor's firm demeanor, never showing how strong you really are. If an attacker is used to a certain level of resistance you give when fighting him, you can catch them off guard when you use your true strength to escape from his grasp. Smiling and submitting can defuse an aggressive posture. Appearing vulnerable by playing small, compliant, or apologetic. Gently touching them. Using playful rapport or questions to throw someone off their script like, damn, I'm getting kidnapped by an opposing sports team fan, if you see that they are wearing a jersey or team hat. Flirting using playful lip, eye, and body movements. Remember, this is high risk. Use only when it gives clear tactical advantage. Here are a few real-world scenarios in which these strategies may come in handy. Example 1. If an aggressor grabs you in an inappropriate way, instead of being defensive and rude, you can smile, compliment them, and act like you enjoy their company. This could de-escalate the situation and buy you time to run, fight, or call for help. Example 2. If an angry man converges, you can soften your voice, show concern, and ask something that refocuses, such as, what do you need? Can I help? Or how can I make you feel better? Example 3. If a gunman is threatening you, be calm, comply, be soft, feminine, then use the rapport to talk your way through. Training drills. Voice control drill. Practice lowering pitch, flirting, and softening your demeanor in stressful situations. Mirror rapport drill. Practice one-line compliments and transitional questions when arguing with people in your life. Angle and exit drill. Always position yourself at a 45 degrees to the aggressor with an exit in view. Practice moving away while talking. Examples of some short, non-escalatory statements include, hey, I don't want trouble. Tell me what I can do for you. If you wanted me, all you had to do was ask. No need to be aggressive. You look like someone who's seen a lot. Can you help me understand? Or, I think we can solve this. Let's step outside and talk. But instead of talk, you run when it's safe to do so. Remember, seduction is a tool, not your entire kit. Always pair it with knowing escape routes, having a signal plan using code words, prearranged phone alerts, etc. Having physical defense options such as reachable weapons and trained combat maneuvers. And if abduction is inevitable, an aftercare plan strategizing how to get to safety, documenting and reporting everything. Not to forget knowing when to stop. If the person becomes possessive, physically invasive, or the energy flips, be sure to end the interaction and execute your escape plan. Sis, seduction as survival is complicated, messy, powerful, and sometimes necessary. Use it wisely. Use it as part of a plan that includes escape, help, and law. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment how you have used your girlish charm to escape trouble. And as always, stay cute, stay clever, and above all, stay alive. Love you, sis.